wow, I want my hair looking like that. And so I bought the Color Wow Dream Coat. Let's try it together. For this product to really work, you're supposed to really saturate your hair in it and then brush it out. And you need to do this section by section. You also need to apply this on damp hair and not wet hair. And finally, you have to blow dry this. You cannot just let it air dry. The result will just not be the same because heat activates this product. And now let's blow dry. One section done, and oh my god, I can see that it is definitely super shiny. I really want to see the result on my entire head of hair. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and be right back. Okay, full head of hair done, and I have to say that this is unreal. Wow. But yes, there is a but. A couple of things I realized is that you have to use a lot of product for this result. But then again, it lasts for up to 3 to 4 washes. So I'm really okay with that. Secondly, now let's look at this side. So this side, I blow dried my hair and then ironed it, and then just look at that result. So full disclaimer, the lady at the start of my video did achieve that shine in her hair by straightening it, and that's exactly what I did on this side, just to see if that was really achievable, and 100% yes it is. So overall, this product is 100% yes from me. It actually really works.